Hello everyone. So let's get started with your reading. This is your anchor card in case you have chosen the first deck. So let's go ahead with the blue card reading. All the best, guys. Let's open your anchor card. All right. So your anchor card says that a movement in your life has already started. By the way, let me tell you, this is a general psychic reading, and it is applicable for all your aspects of life, not just one or nothing specific to any of your questions, but whatever energy is required to be delivered, the message in a way will be delivered right away to you. So all right, there are 2 jumper cards. So all right, you are definitely moving forward. Your healing has started. Movement towards good time and good news. Wow, that's amazing. That's really amazing. Let's pick few more cards for you. Alright, so what I feel is here, either it is your career aspect, the money aspect, or it is your relationship aspect. You have movement in that aspect, good time starting, good news coming up. There is a family, friend support. There is a collective effort being made to resolve a matter, for that overall healing, for inviting and welcoming the good time. Very wonderful. Yes, a lot of movement is happening. Just make sure that your karma this is time for your karma to be balanced, moving forward, healing happening, balancing of your deeds. So the effort that you might have put into your relationship, the efforts that you have put into your coins, money, career, job aspect, that definitely is moving forward. It's time to reap the benefits of the seeds that you have sown. That's really wonderful, guys. Thank you so much for being with me. Thank you. All right, so now we go ahead with this card. Let's open your anchor card. Okay. All right. So your anchor card talks about lack of focus, lack of planning, not being able to see through, not being able to plan properly, stagnancy. What's going on, guys? The daddy is here. All right. So the whole stagnancy period of yours is still continuing, and it is asking you to move forward in terms of correcting your fire life element. I hope you know we are made up of 5 life elements: fire, water, sky, earth, air. You need to balance your fire life element. For that, you can follow the links. The video is already there on my YouTube channel. Yes, there is stagnancy that is calling forth for you to become independent. You are a leader. You're a very intelligent person who has fire in the belly. But it's time for you to come out, to really use that passion. But for that, you need to really get connected to your own power, your own self, your own soul. Let's pull few more cards for you. Very wonderful. It's time for you to do some soul searching. Yes. Mommy of Pentacles. There's a lot of work-life imbalance that I can sense. You need to really balance your energies. You're not able to think through. Things are really keeping you busy. People are not understanding you. Managing time, managing life is troublesome at the moment, guys. Yeah, but then, all right. So, yes, please get grounded in case you do not know how to do grounding. It's important to come back to your breathing. Please practice some breathing meditation so that you can come back to your own self. Do some bit of meditation, balance your fire life element, and that will take you towards your good family life, good materialistic life, and enjoying with family, having good time. But yes, at the moment for sure I can see that you aren't in a great position. You really need to work towards achieving that stability. I feel you have around 10 days time, guys, to recover from this. So please go ahead. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Let's go ahead with the third card. So guys who have chosen this deck, let's see your anchor card. Mommy of Swords is here. Clouds. Life is easy. Do not take it so do not be harsh on your life. Do not take it so seriously. It's time for you to really let loose of yourself. Things cannot be under your control. You need to really understand. There are things in life that needs to be surrendered to the higher consciousness. Make humor a part of you. Let loose, let surrender. A lot is going on in your head. All right. Yes. It's time for you to find your own self. It's time for you to spend some time with nature, maybe stars, maybe clouds, maybe plants. Okay, so what I feel, you are not able to, you're not able to see good in your situation. Okay, so maybe you can go ahead with gratitude and repentance. These are two weapons with human beings which can really help you to come out of any of your given situation. So it will the kind of creativity you have, you've lost that. The kind of connection that you have with your own self, you've lost that because you're unhappy, you're thinking too much, you're trying to control things. There's a lot of morality issue, there's a lot of what will people say kind of energy that I can sense from here. Let's pull two more cards for you guys. Yeah, it's time for you to take action. Maybe because of your unhappiness, you're not able to take action. It's time for you now. Hardly 3 to 4 days more and just hit the flow. What is it that you don't want to do? What is it that your unhappiness is keeping you away from? Bring out your creativity. Get down to your own self. Urgent healing is required. Daddy of Cups. Urgent healing for you. It's important. You seem to be an intuitive person, but at the moment you are simply not able to see through. It's time for you to take action. Bring out that creativity. Look for your passion. Come out of that jail. Come out of that jailed. Jailed thoughts that you have for your own self. Very wonderful. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, please click the thumbs up. Share with your friends, families. Bye bye. Take care.